Mother Teresa, Roman Catholic saint and Nobel Peace Prize laureate who dedicated her life to helping the poor. Thalia, widely celebrated Mexican singer and actress known as the Queen of Latin Pop. Chris Pine, acclaimed American actor famous for Star Trek and Wonder Woman. Melissa McCarthy, Emmy-winning comedic actress and star of Bridesmaids and Mike and Molly. Macaulay Culkin, iconic former child actor, universally known for the Home Alone franchise. Valerie Simpson, R&B singer, songwriter from the legendary duo Ashford and Simpson. Dylan O'Brien, lead star of the Maze Runner series and MTV's Teen Wolf. John Mulaney, popular stand-up comedian and former Saturday Night Live writer. Mike Colter, Marvel actor who played the titular character in Luke Cage. Shirley Manson, Scottish lead singer of the alternative rock band Garbage. Keke Palmer, multi-talented actress, singer and television host. Lil Tecca, chart-topping American rapper and singer. Katherine Johnson, trailblazing NASA mathematician whose calculations were critical to early US crewed space flights. Robert Walpole, widely regarded as the first Prime Minister of Great Britain. Prince Albert, the Prince Consort and husband of Great Britain's Queen Victoria.